Listen, there comes a moment in life when you look at yourself and realize you were meant for more than the version you're living as. Deep down, you feel it. You know you can be stronger, calmer, more focused, and more disciplined. But nothing changes until you decide to change. Growth begins with one choice. The choice to rise even when you feel weak. You don't need to transform everything at once. You just need one small step today, another tomorrow. Small steps build habits, habits build strength, and strength builds a new life. Most people wait for motivation, but motivation fades. Confidence doesn't come before action, it comes from action. Every time you choose effort over excuses, you become stronger than you were yesterday. Strength is built on the days when everything feels heavy, yet you still move forward. Progress happens when you show up even without motivation. Transformation begins the moment you stop waiting for the perfect time and start using the time you have. You don't need to see the entire path to take the next step. You just need to trust that every small effort counts. Even when results are slow, even when no one notices your progress, even when you doubt yourself, keep going. These quiet, invisible days are shaping you. Every choice to continue, every moment you fight the urge to quit, is building a version of you that is stronger, sharper, and more focused than ever before. Remember, no one is coming to change your life for you. No one is coming to push you, guide you, or rescue you. This is your story, and you are the one who writes the next chapter. That's not pressure, that's power. It means you can turn everything around with consistency, discipline, and belief. You are one decision away from a different life. Imagine where you could be in 90 days if you stopped quitting on yourself. Imagine the strength, confidence, and focus you would build by simply staying committed. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. One habit can change your path. One moment of courage can redirect your entire future. You are not weak. You are not stuck. You are not finished. You are becoming stronger with every challenge you face. You survived things that once felt impossible. You've carried yourself through situations that broke others. Give yourself credit. The fact that you're still here, still trying, still wanting better, proves your strength. Stop letting your past tell you what you can or cannot do. Stop letting fear shrink your potential. Stop letting doubt control your decisions. This life is yours to shape, and the moment you decide to rise, truly rise, everything begins to shift.